we introduce a new kind of package of condom. Have a look, please. We always use the ball package to pack extra thin condom. For ball package, we can drip more lubricant oil inside the condom. For normal condom, the lubricant is about 400 mg. But for ball package, we can drip 800 mg, twice amount. When your customer want to have more lubricant inside of condom, you can consider to order this kind of package. You can put extra thin condom inside this small ball. Now, more and more people like extra thin condom. They hope feel like almost nothing. And our extra thin condom is high quality, not easy to break. Certainly, you also can consider to use this ball package to pack thick condom or other kind of condom. We accept your brand, your design. The MQ is 150,000 pieces, and the delivery time is about 40 working days. Welcome your inquiry us.